Hi. So you know what I'm doing based off of what's behind me, the title, the thumbnail, you know. I'm sick. I'm gonna start the video off by saying I'm sick. You can probably hear it in my voice. You're so nasally. Shut up. Yeah. So, I'm gonna clean out my closet today and going to be putting probably a lot of clothes onto Depop/Poshmark. I don't know which one I'm really gonna do. I might do both, which I'll link down below when I create them. I have to take pictures and everything for them too once I have all the clothes like rearranged. But I have so many clothes that I don't wear like ever, so I need to clean them out. My closet's been so awful for so long now. If you watched my redoing my room, I literally was like, we are not showing my closet. I took a picture of it earlier and it was bad. I mean, I'm like standing in front of it, I can just look at it, but I'm going to show you guys deeply on how awful it is. And I have a small closet, so this is kind of difficult for me to keep it clean, especially with the amount of clothes that I have. I'm going to show you guys my closet. We're just going to start getting to it. This shouldn't take... It's just really awful. But I got a dresser, so yay. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So here's my closet. Up here, it's like old and there's like a shelf thing and hangy, you know. So up here I have like random, it's like a baby blanket and like random junk up here that needs to be cleaned off. Then I have my clothes with like hanger death trap right here. So many of these I don't pull out. There's a baby picture in case you want to see me as a baby. And then I have this IKEA drawer thing that literally is too small. I was like, cute, organized. It's too small, so I need to like empty that. And then I have this basket of like clothes literally, and then just clothes are all throughout in here. It's awful. And then more clothes are in this corner, and then this basket's filled with bathing suits and clothes and like random shoes, hangers. It's literally a disaster. This is gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. And then here's the dresser I got. See, that's my tripod, but it's the IKEA like 4-drawer fucking Milo. I have no idea what it's called. It's like the one that everyone has, I think, for a dresser. It just is a dresser. I want to put all my like clothes in it basically, and then keep that thing for like underwear and bathing suits, I think. So yeah, and it matches like my headboard. So yeah, my brother's girlfriend Jessica put this together for me. Thanks, girl. She like likes this putting together stuff from IKEA. So thanks. Let me see if I can like pose for a thumbnail first, maybe. Should I like pick up a pile of clothes and hold them? I literally have some clean laundry on my bed that I haven't put away yet because I was gonna do this video. Okay, that's what I'm doing, that's what's happening. I hope you guys enjoy this and find it satisfying, because I think I would. I do. I watch these videos. I'm out of breath because I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. Did you know I'm sick? Yeah. See you in like literally 1 second when I'm starting. Okay. So I feel like I should pull this just out, you know? I'm gonna put this shit in this basket because it's in my freaking way. And I'll get to it later. Okay. Hi. Okay. So it's like hours later. My boyfriend came over. We hung out for a few hours, and he went home to watch the Super Bowl. I, on the other hand, I don't care about football. Sorry. I really appreciate people that do get it. I don't, but that's just me. I'm gonna go back to cleaning my room not my room, my closet. I left off. So yeah, I'm gonna proceed to clear this thing out. Fun fact, I was in ROTC for 2 years. And I have these beautiful, wonderful dresses. It is freaking getting hot in here. I put a t-shirt on. I'm gonna go through this stuff, put things in my sale pile, my throwaway pile, and all of that. So let's just start. Oh my gosh, the pile stacking up. Those are my keeping clothes. It's fine. I have all my formal dresses I will be selling. So if you liked my homecoming dress, if you saw that video, then watch out for that on my Depop or Poshmark. Don't know yet. I will let you guys know by the soon. I don't know, but yeah. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. So this is my room currently. Here I am. This is so bad. Here, let me stand next to my pile in the mirror. Whoa. That's how like tall it is compared to me. It's really bad, but it's fine. I took a long break again because I was tired of cleaning, and you know, I cried. Just kidding. That was just my eye was watering because I was laying down. But I like don't want to continue because it's so bad. It's so bad. I don't want to do it. My voice doesn't sound good. I can hear it right now and it sounds bad. Please don't make fun of me. My feelings will be hurt. So I cleared one section, like the throwaway clothes are right there in those trash bags. So yeah, one spot, and then my closet's half cleaned out. And then this is my keep pile. It's literally the size of me almost. And then my sale pile along with some other things that I have in a different room. And then these are my shoes. I think what I need to do is hang up all the clothes I want to sell and put them on my clothing rack that's in a different room to just keep them separated. So then I can actually start putting my clothes away. This giant pile. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I just brought all these into a like guest kind of room, my brother's old room basically. And I hung up some clothes. I'm getting rid of all of my formal dresses. This is my like senior homecoming dress that I wore. I have a video where I wore this to my homecoming and I love this so much. I don't want to get rid of it and sell it, but I'm never gonna wear it again and it's too beautiful to go to waste. And then I have this really pretty long like red prom dress from Bloomingdale's. I have this like simple little, very modest white dress I wore to homecoming one year. I have this like cupcake pink dress that is cute I wore to homecoming, and then this black one I wore to homecoming, and then 2 jackets that I have hung right now, like this white jean one I've never ever worn, and then my old little puffer jacket that's like perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to like pull this in here. I made it cleared out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this like on my own. I don't even know how to move it. Oh, it's really heavy. It is, it's really freaking heavy. I think I need help. The camera's really crooked too. That's great. Be right back, I'm gonna get help. I'm really tired. I don't want to do this anymore. Like, I wish I could just leave it all here and like finish it tomorrow, but I literally don't think I can, and I want to cry. I'm not gonna cry on camera, so I'm gonna turn it off now. I'm gonna continue cleaning. I need to move that little white drawer thing into my closet, and I'm gonna listen to my music, and this is gonna be like fast forward. So let's go now. Okay, so my camera's still not fully charged or anything, but it's getting kind of late and I do need a shower and everything because I have school tomorrow. So I'm going to give up on tonight. It's still a complete disaster in here. Yeah, it's really bad. Yes, I will see you guys tomorrow to work on it more. Hi, it's the next day and I'm going to finish my closet today. I was supposed to go to school today, but I didn't because I'm sick. So anyways, I'm gonna finish my closet up. Gosh, I still don't want to do it because it's so bad. I don't even know like what to do with it, but I'm gonna do it. I look like a bubble gum. Trash, but look, it's like almost done. My mom has been helping me, and then here's my closet. It's coming real together. I organized sort of in color sections, but we still have my bed that needs to be cleared off. These are shoes and stuff. So half of this is like my boyfriend's clothes. Yeah, catch up with you later. To do a tour or closet tour. I turned my ring light on. But I realized I have the whole top of my closet I need to clean out and all the clothes that I want to sell in the other room that I have to go through. So right now I'm going to finish up this closet before I get to the other clothes. But I have to clean out the top of my closet here. I'm a little bit of a mess, but my closet's finally done. I closed it, you know, grand reveal moment. Oh, it feels good to have a clean closet. Hopefully it lasts. Sorry for my shaky ass arm. I'm going to show you guys everything in my closet now. Well, not everything like the clothes, but show you just like what I did. And then I'm going to probably do like a little montage of some of the items that I will be selling on Depop/Poshmark. And I'll have that all linked and on the screen. And so, yeah. Ooh. Okay. So I have a dresser now. I got it from IKEA. It matches my headboard. Sorry, my coffee's here. But on top, I just have like my most worn shoes so that they're easy access. And over here, I just have like a couple of, just like a sweater, 2 sweaters, my 2 belts, and then just extra hangers. And then I have my clothes like blocked into colors, so like white, black, pinks, reds, browns, greens, blues, yellows, and then those are my jackets back here. Baby Olivia. It kind of bothers me how my hangers are like not matching, but whatever. And then my drawers. The top one is all sweatshirts and like hoodies because I love wearing sweatshirts and hoodies, so top drawer, you know, my fave. These 2 right now are probably my fave hoodies and sweatshirts. So yeah. The second drawer is my t-shirts. These are all t-shirts here, and then leggings and like comfortable shorts and stuff. And then this drawer has all my jeans, shorts, skirts, and like jeans. And then this is like miscellaneous kind of pajamas, hats, miscellaneous socks are in there. So that's really nicely and organizedly. That's okay. Okay, so in this top thing, this is also from IKEA, I have sports bras and these like little tight tanky shirts, normal bras, and then all of my underwear. This drawer has all of my socks, and then this is all of my bathing suits in this one. That's all I did. You guys saw what it looks like before and it was insane. So this is it, new and approved. But yeah, let's go take a look at the mess in here. This is my like guest room in my house slash my brother's old bedroom. I don't know. Here's all these clothes, and then I have this clothing rack of clothes, but I'm not gonna really show going through all of that because that's gonna be like another day, another task type of thing. But I will insert a montage now of some things I will be selling, so watch that if you're interested in buying homecoming dresses, prom, just cute clothes that are nice or never been worn, brand new. Yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a two-day job, because this was an absolute wreck to start with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of me. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I really love you guys so much. And subscribe. Outfit video coming soon, maybe with a clean closet. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.